In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI agent in N8N step by step, even if you're just getting started. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll have a working AI agent that you can test with your own messages. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open N8N and click Create Workflow. This is where we'll build everything from scratch. Once the new workflow opens, click Add First Step. N8N will show you a list of options, and from here you want to choose Chat. This gives us the starting point for building a conversational AI setup. After selecting Chat, click Next Step and choose AI. This tells N8N that the next part of the workflow will use artificial intelligence features. Now, from the AI options, click AI Agent. This is the core component that will act like your chatbot or assistant inside the workflow. Next, click Chat Model and choose OpenAI. This connects your agent to an OpenAI model so it can understand prompts and generate responses. If you already have your credentials connected, select the appropriate one and continue. If not, you'll need to add your OpenAI connection first before moving ahead. Once the model is selected, it's time to test everything. Send a message to the chatbot and see how the AI agent responds. This test is important because it lets you confirm that the workflow is working correctly before you use it in a real project. If the response comes through properly, that means your AI agent in N8N is ready. You can now continue building on top of it, customize the prompts, and expand the workflow later with more actions and logic. And that's how you create an AI agent in N8N in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.